Okay. So, I just need to do that. No, I need my key for when I get home. Girls, is that Chloe? Oh, hi, Chloe. Hillary. What? Charlotte, I'm just trying to talk, okay? How many times have I told you to call me Char instead of Charlotte? Charlotte, I think we need to know what we can do. And we do know. I'm talking about Hillary over there. Oh yeah, Hillary, we do need to know the plan. What is the plan again? Come on. Excuse me. What do we look like? You look like pets. First of all, please don't talk with bananas. But bananas are my favorite fruit. They're so last season. Just let me go past. What's going on here? He's eating a banana. And? Bananas are so last season. Just let me go past. Go past then. Thanks. Wow. Okay. Anyways, girls, let's go to see... Who was it again? Chloe? Okay, come on. I think her name's actually pronounced Cleo. Chloe is her nickname, okay? Just because you can't pronounce it right doesn't mean you can say it's all of a sudden a nickname. See, do you want to be on this team or not? Oh, okay. What are you doing there, Sapphire? I just gotta post this to Instagram. It would be great. Sapphire, Instagram post on my page can wait. Come on. Fine. Now grab your phone, because you know the drill. I have it in my pocket, though. Fine, Sapphire. Come on. You're not going to look cool today. I still obey you, though. Hey, you there. I gotta talk to you. The name's Cleo, and what do you want from me? Yeah, I told you her name's Cleo. Yeah. Okay, I'm just trying to get to my locker, okay? So just leave me alone. Yeah, Cleo. Anyway, we gotta tell you, we got some drama with you. Do I look like I'm in the mood for drama? You look perfectly in the mood. No, I'm not. Wow, liars these days. Can't even catch a break. I just want to be your friend. I'm just gonna put my stuff in my locker and I'm gonna leave. I can't deal with this right now. Thank you very much. Yeah, maybe we should leave her alone. Hillary, thank you. Silence.
Okay, what's up?
Are we giving her the silent treatment? What do you think, Hillary? Okay, I don't have any time for this. I'm putting my stuff in my locker and I'm going. Just leave me alone next time. Do I look like I'm the kind of person who's rich enough to leave you alone?
Yeah, you do. You have that new cup that costed like $1 million, and the new phone. You do look like the person that's in the rich financial guard to leave me alone. Well, I think you got that wrong, honey. Check twice. Alright, well, I'm in a group of people here, and I'm surely sure one of them would want to leave me alone, right?
Check twice. Ask one of them. Ask one of them.
Anyone want to leave me alone? Yep. See, they said they wanted to.
They're ruining the plan. What's the plan? Puppy, don't call me that. Hiss at me more. Doesn't look like I care. I have more things than you do. Like the power to do this. Don't lie on my phone. You're gonna break it. Maybe you just need a case. If you lie on my phone one more time, I'll tell the whole school something that you did not do. Well, we are in the setting of the whole school, aren't we? Some of them have gone home. Only like one pet, right? I'm leaving. How about I step on your head? No, my phone! I'm gonna have to rush to the Apple store. No!
The Apple store is that way. What's that?
What's going on? Help! Somebody! Help! I'm okay. But what is this? A portal? Where's my computer here? What is this thing? I'm genuinely getting scared. I'm gonna go drink from this fountain. It's clean and it smells good. I drink from here every day. Can't be a harm to drink from here today, right? Right? Tastes good. Now, to figure out what this silly portal is, what is this? Whoa, what's going on? What's going on? Whoa!